Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share some things that I got on Black Friday from Pink Fresh Studio. But first, let's talk about the elephant in the room. I got my cast taken off yesterday, but my arm is not fully healed. So they did put a splint on it, and that's going to stay for 2 weeks for now. So my appointment is on December 29th. And then there is definitely physiotherapy in my future because my hand was casted this way. I cannot bend my arm beyond even straight is hard. I can't do this at all. I got 0% on this movement. So lots of physio coming, but it is healing, if you will. It just needs a little bit more time. But like they said, it was a break. They had to, it was underneath the other bone, so they had to reset it and put it back. So those tend to take a little longer. So now that we are done with the update, on Black Friday, I had a virtual crop, and everybody was talking about how Pink Fresh Studio had boxes on for sale. So I went and I grabbed 2 boxes. They said that it could possibly be the exact same thing, and I can see, I haven't looked at the second one yet, but I can see that there's a lot of the same thing. But that's okay, because Pink Fresh Studio is one of my favorite companies for embellishments. So let's go through the papers that I got. So this is Everyday Musing, some flowers. And then this is Everyday Musing again, Small Things. It was really wasn't for the pattern paper that I wanted to get. It's, it was like a bonus. So this is again from Everyday Musing. I like this side. I can't see me using that side, but you never know. Then this is Indigo Hills 2. That's kind of pretty. Oh, this is pretty. This is also from Indigo Hills. Indigo Hills. That's it. 2. So that's pretty. Out and About. Oh, I can see, just using that background. That's nice, but busy. This, I have this before, and I can see cutting this out, just the squares or the rectangles. And this is Everyday Musing. I like this side. Joyful Day. Oh, I think some of them are starting to be so that it's Christmassy, which is good. Joyful Day. This is Small Beginnings. Oh, I like this. I could use that. Oh, this is pretty. I would only use a part of that. So I could probably make 3 or 4 layouts with this. This is nice. This is from Joyful Day also. Oh, this one is Holiday Vibes. I like that. Can even cut that out and use that on different layouts. Strings of Lights. This is from the same collection. It says Merry Christmas, Love. That's a plain background. Oh, this is pretty. I wouldn't use it. I don't think I would use it in its whole. I would just cut it in strips, or actually follow some of the hexagons and use that as a strip on the side of my layout. I like that. That's pretty. Oh, this is pretty. This I would use just like that. Add some stuff in there and then just add my layout right here. Okay, some cute little Christmas trees. They're adorable. Yeah. I like that too. Oh, I love the little houses. These are cute. Oh, I like this. I would cut strips off of that too. Love that. Oh, that's going to be hard. So I'll probably cut out some houses and then use some strips. Hopefully, that is one of the things that I'll get double of. I love this too. It's kind of busy, but I probably use those as die cuts and cut them out. And then the background to that. And then it came with a full collection pack This is the office hours. I think what I'll do is I'll just bring up the different pattern papers here. I'm not going to take them all out. So that's kind of nice because I also got the 6x6, so I can show you the pattern paper in this just with the small one. I like that. Awesome. Okay, so those are the pattern papers. This was all one kit. I think it was $35 US per one kit. Now shipping to Canada was a little crazy. I understand because it's heavy and stuff. Plus it was priority mail. So I got it in no time at all. Now let's go on with the embellishments. So this is an ephemera pack from Office Hours. So this is what is all in there. And those, I know, you know, I'll use them. Those are gone. I'll be using those. These are Acetate Speech Bubbles from Super Cool Collection. I'm not going to keep saying Pink Fresh because they're all Pink Fresh. This is the Office Hours. These are wood accent stickers. Now, I had never seen those, so I'm happy I have these. Never seen those and never seen this. Super Cool Pocket Tabs. I like that. I like that a lot. And then some more of those wood accent stickers, but this is from the Just a Little Lovely. So some different stuff that I've never had. And then these fabric ephemeras, I had those, but I think I have them almost all gone. Now this is perfect because I'm going to be working on my December daily here soon. And this is from the Oh What Fun collection. Some 3x4 cards, so I'll be using those. Puffy stickers from the Just a Little Lovely collection. And then more puffy stickers from My Favorite Story collection. And then some chipboard stickers from My Favorite Story. And then some cardstock stickers from the Noteworthy collection. I love those. And then some fabric bows from the Days of Splendor. I gotta use some of those. I have quite a few packages. And then mixed embellishment packs from the Just a Little Lovely collection. And then chipboard stickers from the Office Hours. Like that. Puffy frames from Noteworthy. Like that. Oh, and these I don't have, so I'm happy with those. Puffy Alpha stickers, My Favorite Story. 2 sheets. More fabric bows. This is from My Favorite Story. And then more alphas from the Noteworthy collection. So I'm just going to pause and I'm going to put these away. And then I'll bring the second pack, because what I did, because shipping was quite a bit, I ended up getting 2 packages. Okay, so this is package number 2. And the full package this time is from Joyful Day, which I love because that's all the Christmas one. And so we saw a lot of those patterns in the other one, but there is still some different ones. So that's 16 double-sided papers. So I'm happy with that. Then the 6x6, they gave me the Office Hours again. I wish I would have gotten the Joyful Day to go with that, but that's okay. And then again, oops, this is papers that I cut apart for my December daily. Again, some single sheets. I'll just go through quickly because it looks like it's the same as the last package. So I talked about each sheet. I'm just quickly going through them just to see if there's any different ones, but it sure looks like it's the same. And then we'll go through the embellishments. And then that'll be everything I got from Pink Fresh Studio. Okay, so this is the end of these. Oh, I'm so glad I got some more of those little trees and some more of these little houses. So now I can use one sheet That's going to be the houses, and the other sheet I'm going to do this. And this one, I'll probably do both sheets, those. Okay, so that's the pattern paper. Now let's go through the embellishments. So I got another pack of the fabric ephemera from Office Hours. More of those pocket tabs, super cool. More fabric bows from My Favorite Story. More fabric bows from Days of Splendor. Puffy stickers from My Favorite Story. Acetate speech bubbles from Super Cool. Some puffy stickers from Just a Little Lovely. Some journaling cards. Oh, what fun. Again, I'm going to be using those in my December daily. Office Hours wood accent stickers. And mixed embellishments from My Little Lovely. And chipboard stickers from My Favorite Story. So pretty much the exact same thing. Noteworthy puffy frames. Chipboard stickers, Office Hours. Ephemera pack from Office Hours. Wood accent stickers from Just a Little Lovely. This is different. So let your heart decide. Some little cardstock stickers. So I love those. I've had them before and love them. And then some Puffa Alpha stickers in the two different ones again. One from My Favorite Story and the other one from Noteworthy. So that is everything that I got in my Pink Fresh Studio box. Even though I got lots of doubles, I don't care. Like, you know, I can use those over and over again. I'm okay with it. I don't know how many times that I've placed an order on Simon Says Stamp, and I just order the exact same Pink Fresh Studio embellishments because I'm out and I just want to use them again. And you use them in different way, so it looks totally different on your layout. But that's it. That's what I got. One of the things I got on Black Friday, and I'll share when the other thing comes in. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.